Yogi Clan, what's up, and welcome back to What's Up Wednesday. So if you are a subscriber to this channel, then you know how involved my family is with the orphan ministry. About 2 weeks ago, I posted up a video saying, what's it like to have 4 Eastern European kids in our home for a 4-week period? I'll put a link to that video up here, up above. It's kind of funny. You can hear him playing basketball and speaking Russian in the background. And that's really the point of today's What's Up Wednesday, to tell you kind of what's going on, because Ukraine and orphan hosting and the Ukrainian people have been a large part of our family's life really since about 2011, when we started exploring into adopting children from Ukraine. And we have since subsequently adopted 8 children from Ukraine. If you add up all the time of all the adoptions we've done, we've probably lived in country cumulatively for about a year. When you're in that country, you know, there are not really many other American families around you, so you do what you normally do. You make friends. So out of those 11 years of going over there and being in country, you know, we've made a good bit of friends. Not to mention all the facilitators that help facilitate the adoptions, and just everybody that we know that has made these adoptions possible, plus, you know, our 8 kids who come from that country currently gripped in war. So today I kind of wanted to talk to you about that, because that's really what's up in my life right now and what's going on. Yesterday, so you're watching this on Wednesday, I'm filming this on Monday night. And yesterday on Sunday, today is the 28th, so yesterday on the 27th, I woke up early to get ready to go to church, and I looked at my phone, and the first message I saw was from a dear friend named Ludmilla. Ludmilla was sending a message out to report that Serge, one of the facilitators who is very near and dear to our family, who helped us facilitate those 8 adoptions, lost his life trying to fight to defend his city, and he lives in Kyiv. And it was really a tough blow, because now this becomes even more personal. A lot of good stories with Serge. To give you an idea, Serge loves children. And to give you an idea of how he used to love to joke with children, our daughter, who, if you are a subscriber to this channel, you saw her get married on a YouTube Live back in September, Skylar. Well, she was with us on this adoption trip, and she was 13 at the time. And we went to this, I think it's a Tsar restaurant, I'm not exactly sure what it was. But there was just this massive table, and Serge just ordered and filled it with food. And Skylar was a skinny little spring chicken at 13 years old. He kept going, eat, Skylar, eat, Skylar. Russian men, they like big women. Eat, Skylar, fill your belly. And, you know, so we were with Serge in 2014 doing an adoption when Maidan happened. So we were in downtown Kyiv when Maidan was going on. Matter of fact, we were in Simferopol in the Crimea region, and Elijah, who we adopted, was probably one of the last kids out of that country before it was captured by Russia, and one of the last orphans that probably made it out of the country. I remember specifically in 2016 when we were coming back from Cherkasy, and we stopped at a Georgian restaurant, and he ordered all this food again, filled the table with food. It's my daughter Georgia, myself, my wife, his wife Marina, and Serge, and we're sitting around a table just filled with food, and we're sampling everything from plates. He's like, "Do you like that? Is it good? Do you like that? Is it good?" I'm like, "Yeah, it's good. What is it?" He goes, "Oh, you don't want to know. Just eat more of it." So I would eat more of it. And I was like, "Man, what is this?" He goes, "Let me figure out how to translate it." He goes, "Balls of bull." I'm like, "Oh." I'm like, "What's this cottage cheese-like thing?" He goes, "Brain of cow." I'm like, oh. He loved the place, and we had a wonderful time. So to know that we've lost him really breaks my heart. And I worry, you know, as I think about it, potentially as soon as it becomes Russian territory, you know, our 11 years of mission work there, of adopting from there, is about to come to an end. You know, that chapter in our life potentially could be closing. It really kind of hurts to really think about that. That's, you know, part of the reason why the orphan run is the orphan run. Just because of that ministry being so near and dear to my heart and to my wife's heart. But I think about all the kids that we've hosted too, because we've hosted probably dozens of kids from Eastern Europe. I know on the Instagram, one we hosted 3 years ago. I loved, and this boy is a big boy. This boy is a hoss. Me and him would, you know, He came to our family because he didn't fit in too well in a different family. So they said, hey, Yogi, Mrs. Yogi, you mind taking him? Well, no, we'll take him. And he came in, and we had, at the time, 5 kids who spoke Russian in our house, and he fit in like a glove. He used to love to help my wife cook dinner, but like I said, he was this big corn-fed boy, and he and I used to have fun, wrestle, but all in good nature, all having fun. But we used to challenge each other. It was quite a good time. Well, on his Instagram page last night, he just turned 18. On his Instagram page, there's a video feed of him and 3 of his friends walking down one of the streets in their village, and they're all carrying AK-47s on patrol to defend their village. Heartbreaking. Another girl who we offered adoption to, and this was, so hosting happens every summer and it happens over Christmas time. Usually they come over mid-Christmas, leave mid-January, come over last week in June, leave about second week in August. Are the 2 hosting periods that we do with Open Hearts and Homes every year. And this was from December 2019 to January 2020, we hosted this girl. So this would have been 2 months before COVID hit. And we offered for her to become part of our family, and she accepted. But she went back, and she had a boyfriend in her hometown. Long story short, she said, no, I don't want to be adopted. I want to stay here with my boyfriend. Well, fast forward a few months later, she gets pregnant, boyfriend, gone. So here she is, an orphan, no family. I think she wound up going to a trade school. Well, as of today, as of right now, she is 9 months pregnant, 30 days from her due date. Alone. What are you going to do? What can you do? The 4 kids that were just here, that video that I put the link to above, we heard from them. We've been talking to them daily also. And as of today, the last we heard from them is that they were hiding in the basement as MiG jets were flying over their school. And bombs are going off around them. For all the kids that we've hosted, all the friends that we've made, it's just absolutely heartbreaking. And to wake up Sunday morning and see that news about Serge, it hit hard and it hit home. And we are trying to do everything we can on this side, but America's trying to stay out of it. Not really a whole lot we can do, but I can tell you Mrs. Yogi is busy trying to find something to do to help some of these kids. So we'll see where this goes. I just ask you as a community to pray for the children, to pray for the adults. A lot of the women and children are fleeing to neighboring countries, but Ukraine has said no. Anyone age 18 to 16 male, you need to stay in this country and defend this country. So our other good friend Alex, who was Serge's counterpart, last we heard from him, he was getting ready to defend his country also. Another man that is very near and dear to my heart. It's hard to sit back and daily be getting messages, people just asking for help, begging for help. Sure, economic sanctions, hey, have at it. But what are we doing for the people? That's, the line I heard my wife say tonight. I don't care about sanctions. I don't care about anything except what are we doing for the people? And that's the message about this What's Up Wednesday that I really want to push is what are we doing for the people? How can we protect the innocent? So share this video, write to your congressman, ask for America to open up its borders for refugee status. For those families who have hosted these kids, let's get these kids back over to their families until the things get fixed in the country. That's one idea of where to start. All right, Yogi Clan, thank you for joining. Sorry this is some rough news, but the past 3-4 days we've been really kind of on the edge of our seats trying to watch what happens because, this is our family ministry. This is one of the things that we do and one of the things we are very passionate about. As you know, if you are a subscriber. If you're not subscribed, mash that subscribe button. Give a brother some love. And hopefully the next time we talk, next What's Up Wednesday, I got some better news. Still on track for the Orphan Run, April 2nd. It will be police escorted. We will have food there. We will have a live band there. $15. This can be about a 65-mile ride. $20 if you're 2 up. Speedway Harley-Davidson, Concord, North Carolina, April 2nd. Kickstands up at 11 a.m. Safety briefing at 10:45. I hope to see you there. Hi, y'all. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your prayers. And remember, that's not about me. This is about them. focus your prayers on them. The Yogi clan's doing all right here in this house, and we're taking it day by day. But I don't need your prayers. My friends and the children we've hosted do. All right, y'all. Catch you later. Peace.